The Windsport 31C you're looking at right now is a great addition to the lineup. Now you can get an idea of just how spacious this Class A motorhome is, so what do you say we take you on a quick 2-minute tour? There's a lot of debate on the internet on what the better seating option is, the sofa or the dinette. So in the Windsport 31C, you get them both. So if you're on Team Sofa, here you go. Yes, this is a great place to hang out. For those of you who say the Dream Dinette is better, you can make this your place. Something else no one can agree on is what to watch on TV. Whoever grabs the remote first gets to choose. Those are the RV rules. So let's talk about the kitchen. Why get takeout when you have all the tools you need right here? You get the space you need with the flip-up countertop and sink covers. These are solid surface counters and sink covers, by the way. Fire up the 3-burner gas cooktop and oven. Show that cookbook who's boss. At snack time, keep it simple. Grab something from the pantry and just pop it in the microwave. So this is my personal favorite feature of the 31C, the split bath. You have this extra sink out here. There's a very large counter. There are cabinets. So someone is prepping out here for the day's adventure. Then you have this full bath. It is very spacious. There's room for everything. You'll appreciate the place for the extra towels. There's even a glass door in the shower and a skylight for plenty of headroom. This Windsport keeps delivering the goods. How about a king-size bed? And with the nightstands, just set your phones up there and keep them charged. Here's the feature my wife loves, this walk-in closet. Hang everything you need in here. And if you'd like, add a washer and dryer as the 31C is prepped and ready to go. So you grab an outfit, you go have some morning cocoa at the pedestal table as the captain's chair swivel, or listen to some music from the 10-inch touchscreen dash radio. It features Sirius XM satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. When you hit the road, your right foot will appreciate the 350 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque from the V8 under the hood. And finally, let's take a look at the exterior. Make outdoor adventures memorable. You have a power awning. There's a TV, even an exterior propane connection. I know, 2 minutes goes fast, so why not hit up thormotorcoach.com for all the specs and features.